Alright, today we are going to talk about Python. So if you have a Mac computer, it comes with the Python, and then right here we type in Python and it give you it tells you Python 2.7 .16 is installed on the Mac computers, came with the Mac OS, and then it's by default. But it also said 2.7 is not recommended. So the latest I think is 3.8. We have, let's exit this. We already have brew, homebrew install, and then we are going to install Python environment. And the reason why I install Python environment is it will manage different versions of Python that have in your system. While we are waiting, let's take a look at Python logs. Let's see what the latest. I think the latest 3.8.4. Okay, and here we already have Python environment installed. And next we are going to check this and see. Yep. And then we are going to install 3.8.4. 3.8.4 is not available. Alright, let's double check Python version. Version 3.8.4 July 13. Oh, it just came out 2 days ago. So let's do 3.8.3. Okay, it looks good. Looks like it's done perfect. And let's 3.8.3. Let's clear it. Next, we are going to set the Python 3.8.3 as global version. Now let's just do pyenv global 3.8.3. That should do it. Perfect. Next we are going to check the version. Perfect. We are going to add pro, and then we are going to do PSHRC. So, and then we double check this file. Yes, these are installed. That's perfect. And now we're going to check. And then it says 3.3. That's correct. I just forgot to restart the iTerm before. And then we are going to check which icon just to double check. And then you can see it's pointing to the right direction. And now I think we are again, let's check, double check again. Okay, that's correct. And then once Python, so now Python is installed perfect. Once Python installed, we should be able to also check the pip version, the pip 19.2.3, and then again it's pointing from the 3.8.3 that we installed. Now Python is successfully installed and configured, and later on when we have a new Python version comes out later, then we can use the Py environment management system to manage that So maybe there will be a follow-up video later down the road in 3 months, 6 months, something like that. Until then, happy coding. I hope you like this video. I hope this video helped, and if it does, please thumbs up, subscribe, and put on your notification bell. Until then, again, happy coding.